Have to give it a nice detail, guys. So it's been sitting for almost 2 years. That's the last time the inspect was done, so the time really flies. Didn't realize. And that's it, 327,000 miles on the clock. I purchased this, I think it had like 320,000 miles. So we did just about everything as far as maintenance was a few years back. It was running like a champ. So here we go on the first start. Fires up. Low on gas there. That gas is probably something else by now. The previous owner had installed the aftermarket XM radio. I'm going to find that code. I think I have it stored somewhere. Of course, the trunk is open. There should be no warning lights, but all right, let's back it out. We're gonna try to do the oil on it today. All right, so guys, a half unboxing here, and I noticed that Licky Moly came in like 2 different colors or packaging. On this one, I'm not sure what the exact difference is. This one looked like it's a new generation with Molygen, whatever that is. So I got one set for the GL 450 and then one set for the SL500. And from all looks of it, we're still using the same filters for both vehicles, even though one is 10-11 years newer than the other. All right, but seem to be the same formulation as far as oil. Well, 540, you know, for your European formula is going to be 540. It's going to be the standard, but on these older vehicles. But as far as the filters, you can see that they're the same part number and they're guaranteed to match both or either vehicle. All right, so first, essentially, we're gonna loosen this here. You're gonna want to loosen your cap for better oil flow. So on closer observation, guys, I believe this blue one is going to go with the truck. I think be using the green with the green. All right, and that's going to be for the GL when we get to it. All right, but like I was saying, they send you the crush washers for the drain plug. They also supply the drain plugs themselves. All right, so that's very nice. And that's a beauty of getting the kit. You get everything you need and nothing more. All right, guys, let's get down. And guys, this is what I was talking about. You just crack it, leave it to the side. I haven't loosened that yet, but I'm gonna get to it. We're gonna jack her up. Remember to have your shocks on the back, so prevent rolls. All right. Oh, so I didn't even show that. So essentially that's like that, and can you see, get a flathead, pops that out, and you get your jack. And you're gonna insert your jack into the hole, guys. Then you can insert stay still, buddy. Don't forget to use your your jack stands, guys. Safety at all times. And guys, I normally use 2 jacks, you know, just to be extra safe. One on that side, one on that side. But we're gonna be under here. You're gonna have to remove the bottom engine cover of the belly pan. And guys, pay attention to this arrow. This is for tightening. When you're going to tighten it back, it only requires 2.5 Newton meters. So to get it undone, you got to go the opposite direction. See? Don't you love tools? Makes all our jobs easier. That's the filter right there, guys. So we're gonna, guys, for this vehicle, it looked like the socket is gonna be a 13. Here we are, guys. So this is gonna be 8 mil. Bolts here for the engine cover or belly pan. And just like that, guys, sheet is off, and our drain plug, where is it? And there she is, guys. This is our bolt right here, and I prefer not to use power drills on parts like these because you could actually strip it out. Oh, sorry guys, we were tightening instead of loosening. Cinematic on here. Coming, guys. Man, this long bolt or plug, there it is. That is it. Oh, it looks good. So we're gonna change this plug either way. While that's doing its thing, guys, got that halfway there. We got the this loose. So that's it, guys. Actually, the oil change on this is a very simple, straightforward job, as long as you have all the right tools. All right, so keep standing by. Okay, guys, we're back. I just finished checking on dinner, coming along nicely. And let's see on this camera here. Just gonna get some lubrication on this here going, and we got the new bolt. And put that back with the crusher on. Don't forget the crusher, guys. Muy importante. The set here. Sitting back to tightening. You don't want to over tighten, guys. You want to make sure you're not cross threaded on it. Get the washer, crush washer seated properly. All right, guys, so before we start adding our oil back, I want to go ahead and change the filter. these are the grommets I was talking about, guys. It comes with these grommets in here, and they all have a home, so remember that. Okay. That's it. All right, so as I was saying before, there is a washer there, there's one here, there's one here, there's one here. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So this filter was working more time. It's been in there for, I'm almost embarrassed to say, guys, years. What I like to do is go ahead and just place something over here so we're not inviting any debris. In interest of time, guys, just gonna go ahead and I like to replace as I go, so 1 for 1. That's a good way of approaching things so you don't mix yourself up. Ouch. I think I just impaled myself there. If you want, you can go ahead and measure them up just to make sure you're getting the correct one on. And that's a big one. Make sure y'all seated properly, you guys, and that is it. That is it. So with your new filter, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get her in there like that. Good to go. This one is a little wobbly, but should be good to go. Get rid of the debris there. Tighten her back down. Guys, it says 25 newton meters. I believe earlier I said 2.5. If I did, you won't know because I'll just edit it out probably, so we're not confusing anybody. Don't forget to add your oil. Very important. And I like the way FCP or Licky Molly, just pull that up and you have your spout. So somebody thought of everything, guys, so you don't have to. Just like that, guys.